We work in product development, and for a good process of product development we need to do prototypes. And to do prototypes we need additive manufacturing machines nowadays, like 3D printing machines. And so these machines have the ability to make prototypes and also to make rapid products. We study materials and we try to make new formulations by developing materials for commercial solutions in terms of process. So we have several different technologies. It means that we have several different equipment, and we want to try to use these equipments for new products, for new raw materials, if you want that way. And nowadays we are also put some artificial intelligence in the process, as well as mixed reality. So we try to print industrial ceramics, industrial polymers. We try to develop some composites. We work with metals and of course with natural products also. Because in terms of market, you don't have such a choice when you use this technology. We are making some new products regarding the transformation of cork by binder jet technologies or by filament fabrication technology. Fused filament fabrication, it's not so innovative. There are some other works, but by binder jetting technologies is really innovative. And as far as I know, we are the only team that are working on additive manufacturing by binder jetting of cork materials. We need to have solutions to print products that are personalized. We live in a globalization process, a globalization area, but globalization process is based on the individual. When the society is more globalized, it means that the individual has a central role in the process. And this is an opportunity for additive manufacturing, because additive manufacturing has the possibility to customize the products.